what would you say to your fellow constituents in expectance of some of those developmental projects?
Honestly speaking, I'm overwhelmed. What Nana is doing is mind-boggling. I'm just, praying that all Ghanaians we should take this one as a role model. We're using Nana as a role model. All people of our community, the environment that we are because Nana has shown out the way. We should all also follow the way. Ghana will be where we all wish it to be. And especially with the youth, we should see that Ghana is all what we have. So we should do anything that will make Ghana a better place for all of us. And I know very soon they're also going to give birth to children. These children should come and say, okay, our forefathers, our fathers also left a good legacy for us also to continue. So I thank Nana so much for changing the face of Dumasua. And honestly, me, I've taken it as a cost on myself. I've seen some towns in Sunyani which I want to do same. As I'm talking to you, to go to a community or a town called Abisim, around the chief valleys, they are doing a serious work there. You can pass through it. But then it's not going to be that place alone. We will make sure that we extend it to other places. But as you know, I just came into office as a member of parliament. A good club, so I know gradually also get there. Thank you so much. I'm most grateful.